The 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee is here, and it's turning heads with a fresh blend of rugged capability and modern refinement. If you're a fan of off-roading, luxury, or both, this latest model brings plenty to get excited about. Let's take a closer look at what the 2026 Grand Cherokee has to offer. From the moment you see it, the design commands attention. Jeep has given the Grand Cherokee a sleek and athletic look, with a slightly more aggressive front fascia, slim LED headlights, and a restyled 7-slot grille that keeps its signature identity intact. The body lines are cleaner and more sculpted, giving it a modern presence while still hinting at its trail-rated roots. There are new wheel designs and color options that add to its appeal, and the stance overall looks more refined but still tough enough for serious terrain. Under the hood, Jeep continues to offer a range of powertrains tailored to different drivers. The base model comes with the reliable 2.0 litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, but higher trims can be equipped with the 3.6-litre V6, or even a plug-in hybrid 4xe system that offers impressive torque and fuel efficiency. For those craving more performance, the rumored twin-turbo inline-6 engine, dubbed the Hurricane, makes a strong case with over 400 horsepower and impressive towing capacity. No matter which engine you choose, the Grand Cherokee retains its off-road capability with Jeep's signature Quadra-Track and Quadra-Drive 2 systems, along with an air suspension that adjusts ride height for different driving conditions. Step inside, and the 2026 Grand Cherokee feels more like a luxury SUV than ever. The cabin is spacious, quiet, and filled with upscale materials like real wood, brushed metal, and soft-touch surfaces. The dashboard is cleanly laid out with a massive 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and an available 12.3-inch infotainment screen that's fast, responsive, and packed with features. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in Amazon Alexa assistant come standard on most trims. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either, with plenty of legroom and an optional rear seat entertainment system with dual screens. Tech lovers will appreciate the new active driving assist system, which combines adaptive cruise control with lane centering to offer a semi-autonomous driving experience. There's also a night vision camera, a digital rear-view mirror, and a new off-road camera system that makes trail driving easier and safer. Jeep has clearly put a lot of thought into making the Grand Cherokee smarter and more intuitive for daily driving and adventure. Cargo space is generous, especially in the Grand Cherokee L model, which offers 3 rows of seating. Whether you're hauling groceries, camping gear, or the whole family, there's plenty of flexibility to meet your needs. And thanks to the new architecture, the ride quality has improved with better insulation and road manners, making it feel more refined at highway speeds. Overall, the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee brings a well-rounded package to the table. It's capable, comfortable, tech-savvy, and still holds on to that adventurous Jeep spirit. Whether you're hitting the trails or commuting through the city, this SUV is ready for whatever comes next. If you're in the market for something that can do it all, the new Grand Cherokee deserves a serious look.